The lesser white-fronted goose. The lesser white-fronted goose is a small migratory waterfowl, typically measuring 60 to 68 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 120 to 135 centimeters and weighing between 2 to 2.5 kilograms. Field identification is key, relying on a combination of features. Adults sport a distinctive white forehead patch extending above the bill, a pinkish bill with an orange or yellow base, orange legs, and a distinctive yellow eye-ring. Their plumage is generally grey-brown, with darker barring on the back and flanks, and a white undertail. Juveniles are similar but lack the white forehead patch and have a darker bill and legs. Key characteristics include their relatively small size compared to other grey geese, the prominent white forehead, and the distinctive bill coloration. They are closely related to the greater white-fronted goose but are notably smaller in size. They inhabit a variety of open landscapes, including tundra, grasslands, and wetlands, often near water. They are social birds, often found in flocks, particularly during migration and winter. They are known for their long and complex migration patterns, breeding in Arctic and subarctic regions of northern Eurasia, primarily in Russia and Scandinavia. Their wintering grounds are scattered, historically including areas in Western and Southern Europe and Asia, although populations have drastically declined. They undertake long migratory journeys, facing numerous challenges. Their diet consists primarily of plant matter, including grasses, sedges, and agricultural crops, which they forage for on the ground. Behaviorally, they are monogamous and form strong, long-lasting pair bonds. Breeding occurs in summer, with nests built on the ground, often near water. The female lays several eggs, and both parents participate in incubation and chick rearing. The lesser white-fronted goose is classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to a significant population decline caused by habitat loss, hunting, and other factors. Conservation efforts are underway to protect remaining populations and their habitats. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe.